Yo, hello guys, it's Wish here with another video, and today I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the game Duckygram. It's actually like looks funny, so I just wanna mention this, and obviously trying to do on daily basis, just came up with new apps, new games. At some point I probably might run out of these programs, but this one seems interesting. It's not really like time consuming or anything. It's just basically the NFT game, which we can just create, or either we can call it breed our duck. So I have like two ducks, or unicorn duck, or whatever duck is it. I get them for free, so you can basically just climb them by subscribe and claim button. So we can press this. I'm just gonna press it, so you see. So that's move you to the Duckygram Telegram account. Then we can go back. It's actually processing. And then we can claim the reward. Another reward. So this is the third one right now. So I've done something before. Like literally 2 minutes ago, but I didn't record that. I don't know why, but doesn't matter. So as you can see, I received another duck. I'm just gonna go back to ducks. So I have like 3 ducks. Alrighty, so we have another tasks actually. Get a duck from drifters. Play at least one drift race. Prize will be awarded on March 11. Okay. I'm just going to press this. We'll see what's that. Alright, so that will actually move forward as to the different app. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this right now because I just want to focus on this one, but definitely after this video I will just carry on and do this, because why not? Other than that, what you can do here, so we have like a NFTs button down there, and we can connect the wallet. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Back to Duckygram. Okay, so the wallet is connected. We have the shop, which I don't want to buy anything at all here, but just want to show you guys. There's a shop with some strange looking ducks. Then we have the invite link. So obviously you can use my ref, but I only will have a duck if you actually have the Telegram Premium. So free duck for 2 friends with Telegram Premium. Activate a ticket for a gift duck by inviting 2 friends. So actually the ducks are for you guys, or for me, because I'm confused. I mean, I don't mind to give you 3 ducks for 2 friends with Telegram Premium. Activate the ticket for a gift duck by inviting 2 friends with Telegram. Oh, gift duck. So I think I will just give you the gift, but I might be mistaken though. Anyway, then we have the last tab, which is token. There is nothing here yet, but it's coming soon. And pretty much that's it. That's the everything what we have here. We can upgrade our ducks, I believe so. Like we can press. I'm just gonna press this one, and then we can add some NFTs into it. And then we can open the new duck. 318 stars. No, no, not really. I don't think so. I wanna open the new one. We can sell our duck. Okay, breed. How much that's gonna cost? Okay, so we can do like 12 ducks for 3000 stars here, I guess. But I don't want to do this. I think we can choose all of them and then do something about this. Alright, so we can breed like all of them. Okay, get it. And then we're just gonna breed those 2, and then we can actually get something, some different kind of duck from it. Okie dokie. And what about adding NFTs? You don't have any supported NFTs yet, okay, yeah. I guess NFTs we are going to be able to buy here. And add to upgrade our DAX, although I don't really know much about this. I just thought I want to show you guys this app because it looks sort of funny, and then that's it. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is, because I just simply, I don't know, I need to figure it out more about this, and at some point, if I will be carrying on playing this game or not, I don't know. It's like, seems like this game is not really like super value to play, but I just thought I'm just gonna put a video regardless to maybe somebody wanna take a look on this app, because it's not really giving us any like airdrops, so it's definitely not on my like day-to-day list, but like I said, like one video can be different. So yeah, with that being said, thank you very much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this app, you can let me know in the comment section below. Do you actually have that? Do you like the idea to create, to mint NFTs? Because seems okay, but what's the value for us? Like spending 3,000 stars, can you actually sell this? Like how the market works for those things? Because I have no idea. So take care and bye for now.